Learn to generate the Fibonacci sequence. In Python using generators, we have defined a generator function called Fibonacci, which yields the next number in the Fibonacci sequence each time it is called. We have initialized two variables, a and b, to 0 and 1 respectively. We then use a while loop to generate the next number in the sequence by adding the previous two numbers. The yield keyword is used to return the current value of a each time the function is called. This yield statement makes the Fibonacci function a generator. Next, we use the enumerate function to loop through the first 11 numbers in the sequence and print them. Finally, we use the break keyword to exit the loop after printing the first 11 numbers. The output of the code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.